Oh, number langue, Tashi Delek, Kamsa. Ah, Tanda Pala, Lebuda, Yan Lumba Kansas. These are just a Kambadere, 5-star hotel. Oh, yeah, that's another. Check in there. I'm on the good. And the lesser lobby, the lesser. Lobby is the good. Yes. Don't get it again. Do shoot down. And Jim de my wall. Jim may wall do the elevator. And it's a second dinner. Dinner and a breakfast as a tongue and lunch dinner on this summer dinner. The Karate. Oh, lost. Hi guys. So I'm about to checking out to my hotel. So this is what I keep here. I have to finish my coffee. These are clean good water, which I can use it. So my garbage are here. You see, keep organized, keep everything in the trash. It's very easy for the who clean the room. It's very clean. Actually, I keep very clean. So bathroom, this is how it looks right now. They give me 2 toilet paper, but I use only one. You see, but this is brand new. This is I use it, but leave like this. Once you use the towels, just leave it like that and don't throw in the floor. Okay, it's going to be very dirty, and that's how you get it. After they wash it, they want to give to somebody. Okay, just be kind. New, I didn't even ask for the service. So our homes, every day we don't change it, right? We don't change the sheets every day, right? Maybe once a week. So think very positive. Don't call for service every time, every day, 2 times, 3 times. I mean, just be kind. Just think positive, always be kind. And when you leave the tips, don't put on the table. Always tips put under the pillow or under the sheet even. So who can receive these tips for the ladies, okay? Otherwise somebody gonna take it sometime, you never know. Thank you. Thanks for watching.